Today I'm going to be going over how to use 10 frames in our unit that we've been focusing on place value. 10 frames is something that we use in our classroom, in our kindergarten classroom, and the kids seem to really enjoy and understand using them. Our unit on place value has been focusing on breaking numbers down into how many tens are in a number and how many ones are in a number. So in kindergarten, the standard is knowing being able to break down the numbers between 1 through 19, but this particular class has been able to use 10 frames and gone beyond those numbers. So what I'm going to show you today is an activity that we use in class, and I don't have a dice today, but a dice you would be able to use, or I created a pinwheel, which you can use a paper clip and you just put the pencil down in the middle and spin it and it lands on a number. So the first number I got was 3. So over here I'm going to write 3. And then if I spin it again, I got a 5. So I write 5. And then that just gave me a 2-digit number to be able to break down. You can also do this with a dice, which the kids love spinning on the pinwheel, and they also love rolling the dice every time. So what we have learned in class is looking at the tens place. I know need at least 3 10 frames. But I actually, since I know that 35 is more than 30, I'll probably need more than one 10 frame. So I'm going to go ahead and draw another 10 frame. I'm drawing my own 10 frames right now, but in class we have printed out ones so the kids don't have to draw them. But I'm just doing this for an example right now. And more advanced students, we'll back up to the fourth 10 frame. If they didn't automatically see that 35 was more than 30, then they can go ahead and start counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you go ahead and count up to 35. But more advanced students have realized that one 10 frame equals 10. So they can count just by looking at it 10, 20, 30, and then they're going to need more than 3 10 frames. So I'm going to go ahead and fill these in and act like I'm counting up to 30, which I did. But beginners, they count by ones all the way up to 30. So if I was like 30 and then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And now we look at how many 10 frames did we fill up. So we filled up 1, 2, 3 10 frames. And like I said before, we know one 10 frame equals 1 10. 2 10 frames must equal 2 10s. And then our third 10 frame equals 3 10s. So I know I have 3 10s, and this one we did not fill up all the way. So I know I have 3, 4, 5 ones. So in this problem, the child would answer that there are 3 10s and 5 ones. And if we ask them to write a number sentence to go with this decomposing of the number 35, the child would know to write 30 plus 5 equals 35, or breaking it down even further, 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 5, plus 5 equals 35. Sorry. But this is just a visual breakdown of the number 35, and this is how we use 10 frames.